sulfonants. Every permanent hair color begins with aromatic amine dye precursors, the small reactive molecules that penetrate the hair.
Paraphenylamine is the most important oxidative dye precursor, capable of producing the entire range of permanent hair colors from natural blondes to
Dye precursor purity directly determines both the color accuracy and the safety profile of the finished product.
Couplers react with the primary intermediates to direct the final color. Different couplers produce warm reds, cool ashes, golden blondes, or the facility maintains over 150 individual raw materials required to formulate the complete shade range from lightest blonde to deepest black. Modern hair dye formulations integrate intensive conditioning agents to minimize hair damage from the alkaline oxidative coloring process. Hydrogen peroxide serves the dual critical function of oxidizing the dye precursors to form permanent color and simultaneously Fragrance masking is a critical consumer satisfaction factor, reducing the unpleasant chemical odor that was historically associated with hair coloring. Understanding the structure of natural melanin is essential for creating synthetic dye combinations that replicate nature's complex hair color appearance. The formulation hall simultaneously compounds dozens of different shade recipes, each one requiring a unique combination and proportion of dye intermediates and couplers. The cream base must provide sufficient viscosity to remain on the hair during the development time without dripping. Each shade requires a precise cocktail of dye intermediates and couplers, measured to fractions of a percent, because even tiny addition order matters because certain dye intermediates are chemically reactive and must be added in specific sequence to prevent premature coupling before the hair application. The shade library contains over 150 individual formulas, each one a precisely calibrated combination of dye chemistry and conditioning science.
Conditioning agents are strategically added after the dye intermediates to coat and protect the hair fiber during the chemical processing.
The pH is the master control variable. Too low and the cuticle won't open sufficiently for dye penetration. Too high and the hair sustains excessive structural damage. The strand test is the definitive quality check. Does this batch produce the exact target shade on standardized test hair under controlled development conditions?
Shade approval requires both instrumental color measurement and trained visual assessment under standardized lighting. The approved dye cream, now a precisely calibrated mixture of chemistry and conditioning, proceeds to the consumer packaging department. The developer is the essential second component of permanent hair color, the oxidizing agent that activates the dye precursors and
Developer consistency must complement the dye cream so the mixed product applies evenly and remains in contact with the hair throughout the development period.
The developer bottle includes graduated markings that guide consumers to mix the exact prescribed ratio for optimal color results.
The consumer kit bundles every component needed for a complete at-home coloring experience, including protective gloves and detailed step-by-step instructions.
Consumer safety requires including protective gloves to prevent skin staining and potential sensitization during application.
The post-color conditioning treatment is designed to restore the hair's moisture balance and seal the cuticle after the alkaline processing.
Kit assembly is a complex logistics operation coordinating 5 or more individual components into a single consumer package. The shade swatch on the exterior is the consumer's primary purchase decision tool, showing the expected color result.
Weight verification confirms every kit contains all required components before it reaches the consumer.
quality laboratory replicates real-world application conditions to verify every batch delivers the exact shade result shown on the retail package. Laboratory testing replicates the exact consumer experience. Same mixing ratio, same development time, same temperature. Development time control is critical. Underdevelopment produces weak color, overdevelopment produces too dark results and unnecessary hair damage. Post-processing steps must exactly replicate consumer conditions to produce a representative final color result.
Instrumental color measurement provides objective, reproducible shade verification that eliminates the variability of human color perception.
The colorist's trained eye evaluates nuances including depth, tone direction, and uniformity that instruments alone may not fully describe.
Gray coverage is one of the primary consumer expectations and requires specific formulation to ensure complete camouflage of resistant gray hair. The lab tests dozens of shades simultaneously to maintain batch release throughput, matching production demand. All hair color formulations undergo mandatory dermatological safety testing before commercial release. Batch release integrates color accuracy, gray coverage, conditioning performance, and safety data.
The shade library contains archived samples from every batch, enabling historical consistency tracking across years of production. The filling hall is a dramatic display of color, dozens of different hair dye shades being dispensed simultaneously across parallel high-speed lines. Developer bottles and dye tubes must be filled at matched rates to supply the kit assembly line without bottleneck.
Professional salon tubes provide salons with cost-effective, high-volume hair color.
Ammonia-free formulations use MEA or ethanolamines as gentler alkalizers for shipment with ammonia sensitivity. All individual components advance toward their union in the consumer kit.
Multiple formats serve different consumer and professional application needs.
Shelf-ready trays allow retailers to place the entire shade range directly onto the retail shelf.
Palletized for global retail distribution.
Complete supply chain traceability.
The warehouse holds the complete shade library, ready for instant retail fulfillment. International distribution serves consumers seeking the same shade consistency worldwide. Distribution ensures shade availability across all retail channels. Millions of shade transformation kits departing daily. From the command center, chemists monitor every reactor, shade verification, and filling line simultaneously. Color adjustment precision at fractions of a percent determines whether a shade reads warm or cool to the consumer. Complete operational overview. Thorough cleaning between shade families prevents any cross-contamination that could shift the next batch's color. The daily shade meeting is the critical quality gate, where trained colorists approve or reject pending batches. R&D develops new shade trends and gentler formulation technologies, working 18 months ahead of retail launch. Master colorists combine deep chemistry knowledge with artistic creativity to define new shade trends.
Pilot production validates new formulation processability before full-scale commitment.
Human hair model demonstrations provide the most realistic preview of how a new shade will appear on real consumers.
Consumer testing determines which new shades have sufficient commercial appeal for full production launch.
The visual transformation demonstrates the product's core promise, restoring or reinventing hair color with confidence.
When darkness falls, the compounding reactors continue their precise color chemistry through the night.
The night shift compounds tomorrow's shades in the sealed vessels. A solitary chemist watches over critical color chemistry through the night. Millions of shade transformation kits march through darkness. Inside these vessels, aromatic chemistry creates the molecules of color transformation.
Chemical-grade cleanliness maintained continuously.
An endless stream of color transformation kits flows through the night. From raw dye precursors to sealed consumer kits, the chemistry of transformation is breathtaking.
Modern chemistry enables the most transformative personal care experience.
One tube of color chemistry, capable of transforming a person's entire appearance.
This facility transforms reactive chemical precursors into the confidence that comes from beautiful hair color.
The factory's ultimate purpose, enabling the transformative confidence that comes from hair color that looks and feels completely natural and beautiful.
The at-home coloring experience is designed to replicate salon-quality results through careful engineered consumer-friendly application tools. Root touch-up application targets the specific regrowth zone where gray or outgrown color is most visible.
The factory balances raw precursor chemicals entering sealed kits of color transformation departing.
From above, an empire of color chemistry.
The precise chemistry of color transformation begins once more. Every reactor compounding, every filler dispensing, the hair color factory at full capacity. Professional salons demand the highest color precision and hair condition protection. The shade wall represents the full spectrum of human hair color aspiration. The complete journey from raw dye precursor to sealed consumer kit in one frame. The moment of reveal, the first look at a new hair color, the instant surge of renewed confidence. Semi-permanent colors deposit color without lifting natural pigment, providing a gentler option with gradual fade out. Environmental stewardship ensures responsible chemical manufacturing practices.
Ammonia-free technology represents the future direction of gentler permanent hair coloring.
New workers arrive to sustain the daily creation of color chemistry. The lines never stop, ensuring continuous supply of color transformation. The retail shelf presents every shade aspiration, from natural enhancement to dramatic transformation. The product enables individual expression through the personal choice of hair color. Hair color trends shift with fashion, but the fundamental chemistry of oxidative coloring remains elegantly effective. From classic natural browns to modern, vivid fashion colors, the shade portfolio has expanded dramatically.
Men's hair color products are specifically formulated for subtle, natural-looking results that reduce gray without an obvious colored appearance.
Instals. The chemistry is hidden from the consumer, but profoundly elegant. Small, colorless molecules entering the hair.
A cathedral of chromatic chemistry.
The eternal chemistry of color continues as day transitions to night.
Every shade matched, every batch certified, another perfect day of color chemistry.
The sun that gives natural hair its color also lights the factory where synthetic color is born.
One kit, dye precursors, developer, conditioner, chemistry and art sealed in a single box of transformation. Hair color. Chemistry, artistry, and the profound human desire for transformation. Behind it, a magnificent industrial